In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign on Adobe. First things first, let's get started by accessing a web browser and opening Adobe Sign. You can do this by simply typing Adobe Sign into your preferred search engine and clicking on the official Adobe Sign link that appears in your search results. Once you've arrived on the Adobe Sign homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. If you do not have an Adobe account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up link and following the easy prompts to set up your account. This initial setup is crucial for accessing all of Adobe's features. After logging in, the next step is to locate and click on the Fill and Sign tool. This tool is essential as it allows you to begin the process of preparing your document for signing. You will have the option to choose an existing file from your account or to upload a new one from your computer. If you're uploading a new file, ensure that it is in a format compatible with Adobe Sign, such as a PDF. Now that your document is open in Adobe Sign, you'll want to click on the e-Sign button. This feature is designed to streamline the entire signing process, making it straightforward and intuitive. When you click on e-Sign, you will need to select Add Signature, which prompts Adobe Sign to give you different options for creating your signature. You'll see three primary options for creating your signature. You can type it out, draw it using your mouse or a touchscreen, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choosing the right option depends on your personal preference and what you find the most comfortable and secure. Take your time with this step to ensure your signature appears just how you want it. Once you've created your signature, click Apply. This action temporarily stores your signature so you can place it on your document. You will then click on the document itself where you want to place your signature. If the initial placement isn't perfect, don't worry. Adobe Sign has a very user-friendly interface that allows you to drag and drop your signature to the desired location. Take a moment to make sure everything looks just right, as this is the finalized version of your document. After positioning your signature, the final step is to save your newly signed PDF document. Usually, there's an easy-to-find Save button, or sometimes the file automatically saves to your account or designated folder. It's important to double-check that your document saved correctly, so you have a valid copy for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully signed a document using Adobe Sign. With these easy steps, you can efficiently and securely sign your documents online. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been useful in simplifying your digital